Hi, I would like to present to you at the beginning of this night the Welsh Culture Award. This award slightly changed over the past year, and now it encompasses the wider Welsh culture instead of just the language. Therefore, this award recognizes a society that has integrated bilingualism alongside conserving Welsh culture, heritage, and actively encouraged the involvement of Welsh speakers. Okay? So our shortlisted nominees for this award are Geography Society, ACV Society, AberSU Conservation Volunteers Society, Erasmus Student Network, AberSU Society, Organic Food Co-op Society, and Slovak and Czech Society. Congratulations. First up, our third placing for the Welsh Culture Award goes to the society that has committed to localizing a proportion of their activities. They have promoted local farming through social media as well as their product sales. They have been actively involved in the community garden, making sure increasingly Welsh-based products are available on sale and prioritized. Congratulations to Organic Food Co-op Society for being the third place Welsh Culture Award Society. Well done. Up next, in second place, this society has gone the extra mile by offering Welsh language lessons to all their members throughout the year. Additionally, their posts and activities are always offered in bilingual and include Welsh information and interesting facts. This group just worked to make their society an inclusive and positive space. Second place is awarded to the Geography Society. Congratulations. And in the first place, the winner of Welsh Culture Award is the society that has actively worked towards the conservation of local attractions and area of interest. Just a snippet of what they have been up to includes invasive species management, rewilding projects, and footpath maintenance. Above all, they have secured over £3,000 of funding for the Welsh Heritage Orchard project and planted 250 trees on Gwobrau campus. The Welsh Culture Award goes to, congratulations, ACV Society, AberSU Conservation Volunteers Society. Thank you very much and congratulations.
The next award is the biggest contribution from a charity-based society. This award recognises a charity-affiliated society whose members have freely given a significant amount of their time to their cause throughout the year, as well as a society that has raised a significant amount for their charity or cause. Our shortlisted nominees for this award are Nightline, Tickled Pink, Aber WWF, and Student Minds. In third place, we have a society that managed to raise almost £300. They hosted bake sales, held craft stalls, and collaborated with a close sister society of theirs. Alongside this, they have been actively engaged with the Student Union and have helped greatly towards Earth Week by providing advice and writing out the Earth Week quiz. Third place goes to Aber WWF. Next is our second place. This society, through collaboration with other student groups, managed to raise money for their associated charity in a range of ways. They have organised events such as movie nights, raffles, and bake sales, all alongside working with other groups such as beer pong and the boat club. Therefore, in second place, we have Student Minds. And finally, on to our winner. These bubbly, always smiling people have done a great deal of work over the past year. Without a doubt, they are one of the most engaged student groups They've helped out at a range of SU events and are constantly coming up with new and innovative ways to engage students. They have excelled in raising and giving, making it great fun and providing a positive space for students to fundraise. Their efforts are amazing, leaving the panel speechless at one point. Over £2,000 has been raised for this group's affiliated charity, making them the #1 group for fundraising across the whole charities network. Congratulations to Tickled Pink for their outstanding effort.
Our next award is again for the biggest contribution but from a non-charity based society. This is awarded to a society whose members have freely given a large amount of their time to good causes, the student or local community, or raised a significant amount for charity. Our shortlisted nominees for this award are AberDogs, Beer Pong, Geography, Eco Education and ACOG. First up, in third place, being a new society, they have excelled in efforts to fundraise for charitable causes by organising bake sales, clothes swaps, craft stalls and a winter fair. Their hard work has gone on to help the environment and people by supporting charities such as the Amazon Watch and the Paddington Foundation. Big congratulations goes to Eco Education Society. In second place, this society has put on a diverse range of fundraising activities, including charity runs, swims, climbs, pub quizzes, tournaments and movie nights. Overall, they've raised over £1,000 for worthwhile causes, with this year focusing on raising money for MHA's Hathaway Wine Care Home. Their efforts have not gone unnoticed. It's seen them nominated for Fundraisers of the Year across all MHA care homes. The cherry on the top this year though came from their society's Naked Canada, which seen all profits being put towards the charity of the year. Congratulations on an amazing year. Second place goes to Beer Pong. Finally, for the winner of the biggest contribution from a non-charity society, this society has been very active in raising for RAG. They have raised over £500 for their chosen charity, Marie Curie, through the organisation of bake sales, football matches, quizzes and raffles. Importantly, they've also been actively involved in other groups' fundraising activities. I'm pleased to say that this award goes to the Geography Society.
Our next award is a brand new one for 2020. This is a Sustainability Award. This award recognises a society who have actively promoted sustainability within a wide range of their activities. This includes cultural or social sustainability, environmental sustainability, as well as economic sustainability. Our shortlisted nominees for this award are Eco Education, ESN Aberystwyth, ACV, Bee Conservation, Nordic Society and the Organic Food Co-op. In third place, this student group have been actively helping the local economy by empowering local producers, organising sustainable shopping opportunities and diversifying their actions and activities to reach more clients. They have made a strong commitment to continuing their efforts into the future and we can't wait to see what they get up to. Third place goes to the Organic Food Co-op. Next, in second place, with their mission to bring the world closer together, this society have gone above and beyond with their efforts to raise the potential of Aberystwyth and offer unique opportunities to students. They have just recently been granted the status of a recognised UK section. This has offered a chance to organise a national platform in Aberystwyth, which brought people from across the whole of the UK and abroad, showing off what Aberystwyth and Wales have to offer. They have been actively engaged with the Students' Union, putting an effort to make students, especially international ones, feel welcome and also offering them a space to celebrate their cultures. Second place is awarded to ESN Aberystwyth. Finally, on to our winner for the Sustainability Award. This society, through cooperation with other student groups, have managed to raise money for sustainable causes throughout the year. In spite of being a new student group, they have become one of the most prominent societies focused on the well-being of the world and its members. Their activities range from workshops, bake sales and beach cleans, whilst also actively engaging with the community and encouraging others to participate in this overwhelmingly hard task of making the world a better place. Congratulations to the winners of our Sustainability Award of 2020, Eco Education.
Up next, we have the Administrative Excellence Award for someone who has been dedicated towards the running and administration of the society throughout the year. And they are the unsung hero who sits at the desk inputting emails or collecting money. Our shortlisted nominees are Megan Green, Tristan Worsom, Natalia Kinsley and James Watson. Congratulations. So, first up, we'll start with the third place, and this person's hard work greatly enhanced the society's abilities to organize, execute and administrate events throughout the year, making the committee more efficient and stronger. Moreover, through a creative approach and flexible attitude, they managed to work towards their goals and mitigate troubles before they arose, making it much easier for events and society's activities to run smoothly and excellently. The third place award goes to James Watson, the Vice President of the Law Society. Congratulations. Next, second place, without the doubt, they have been the unsung hero, the backbone of the society's work, and they are always up to date with all the essential information, working hard to keep the society afloat. In the 2 years they have been doing the role, they have proven to be the best person for the job. The second place in Administrative Excellence Award goes to Tristan Worsom, the Treasurer of ACV Society. Congratulations. And the winner for the Administrative Excellence Award is the person who's been a great of help to their society committee members as well as the members of the society, providing quality advice and assistance throughout the year, making sure that not one person feels lost or left out. By fulfilling their own duties and taking up duties of other committee members, in times of need they have made a great impact, all things which should be recognized as the highest excellence. The winner of Administrative Excellence Award for 2019-2020 is Natalia Kinsley from Secretary of Aber Pride. Congratulations.
Our next award is for Society Personality of the Year. This is awarded to an individual who is highly valued within their society, but also shows a good sense of personal flair, humour and enthusiasm in all aspects of their society and the outward Team Aber community. Our shortlisted nominees for this award are Aaron Daniels, Amber McNeil, Ian Place, Kaya Brown, Kevin Bell and Noel Whelan. In third place, this person has had a hugely positive impact on their society's activities. Their hard work, endless helpful attitude and active encouragement to other committee members proved to be the biggest asset to the team. They have been the backbone of the committee's work and undeniably a key part of the society's success this year. Third place goes to Amber McNeil, Events Coordinator of K-pop. Next up, in second place. This amazing individual has put so much effort into creating a society from scratch. They are always around, always working and always smiling. They have been one of the most recognisable personalities in the SU, which is a big deal considering they only joined the Team Aber community at the beginning of the year. They have put time and effort into organising a great deal of events and activities and made a name for their society in a really short amount of time. Second place is awarded to Kaya Brown, President of the Eco Education Society. And finally, our winner for Society Personality of the Year sees an enthusiastic individual who has been a key member of their society for many years, making sure everyone feels welcome. Their countless efforts have been recognised by the committee, the SU, and within their academic department. They are an exemplary candidate for this award, working overtime, going the extra mile, and offering help to all in need. They have made a profound impact, leaving people in a better, happier place, and we're convinced that their work should be awarded for all of the above. Congratulations goes to Ian Place, President of ACV.
Onto our Society Person of the Year. This is awarded to an individual who has excelled in their chosen field and has enhanced the reputation of AberSU. They may have represented their society on a national or regional level, or have just excelled within the university and union structure. Our shortlisted nominees for this are Frankie Target, Jack Gold, James Watson, Joel Gregerty, Kaya Brown and Sarah Shelton. First up in third place, this individual has made an amazing effort helping other committee members and actively engaging with students, putting in all the effort. They are an essential part of the overall improvement of their society, leaving it flourishing for years to come. Third place goes to Sarah Shelton, the Social Secretary of Criminology. Next, in second place, this individual has outstandingly represented AberSU University in the national competition. They made sure the society's voice was heard and understood. They have worked hard to organise regular sessions for their members and was awarded Director's Award for the Best Delegate, which raised the profile of the society all round. Overall, their efforts have kept the society running smoothly and successfully. Second place goes to Jack Gold, Crisis Director for Crisis and Model Onto our winner for Society Person of the Year. This individual has gone above and beyond, making sure each and every activity and event is run smoothly and successfully. Getting in touch in advance, going the extra mile and coming up with new ways of dealing with issues has seen this individual excel and profoundly impact the AberSU student community. Above all, they have built a strong and meaningful connection for the society with external organisations and groups within the university. This has provided members and other students with high quality opportunities. Congratulations to James Watson, Vice President of the Law Society.
Our next award is for Best New Society, awarded to a society that has started or been restarted in the last academic year. They have worked hard to establish themselves and to make an impact on students' lives. Our shortlisted nominees for this award are Eco Education, Improvisation, Cocktail, Animal and Veterinary, and Vagina Monologues. First up, our third placing for Best New Society. This is a new society who took on board a great deal of pressure right from the start. This group organised a hugely successful 3-day event, recognising the problems of our society surrounding sexism, intolerance and violent treatment of women. They have put in a great deal of effort to break the taboos surrounding the word vagina and raised a great deal of money for women's charities. We look forward to seeing how the society develops further over the years. Third place goes to Vagina Monologues. Next is our second placing for Best New Society. This student group made a great shift, creating a space for creativity, acceptance and easygoingness in which students can experiment with art and improvisation. They have organised workshops, trips and lessons with professionals, making the space for students to learn and experience the skills of improvisation and acting. Within a year, they've become a big, close-knit group who have attracted students from a variety of art-based interest groups. Second place is awarded to improvisation. Finally, our winner for Best New Society. Emerging on the wave of change in perception, this society's goal is to make the world a better place and ultimately raise awareness about the issues within. They have excelled in creating a fresh new environment for students to commit to causes close to their hearts. Raising over £200 for various environmental and charitable causes, they have managed to attract the attention of local officials and change the perspective on the climate crisis issue of many students, making a great impact over only a year of work. Congratulations to our Best New Society of 2020, Eco Education.
Our next award is the Most Improved Society of the Year. For this award, the criteria are improved success, spirit and organization of the society. They should also demonstrate a dedication to carrying on this progression for future years. Our shortlisted nominees for this award are Dogs, wrestling, yoga, international politics, law and K-pop. Congratulations. I will start with third place for Most Improved Society of the Year. The committee of this society have worked extremely hard this year to raise their profile and membership base. They have offered countless opportunities to their members through additional training time and organization of trips and competitions. They have been heavily involved with the Students' Union from day one and have actively engaged with students, making sure everyone feels welcomed and appreciated. They were due to take part in varsity for the first time this year, going in as strong favorites to win. Let's hope they get the opportunity next year instead. Third place of the Most Improved Society of the Year goes to K-pop. Congratulations. Next up we have the second place of Most Improved Society. This society has greatly improved from previous years, taken on board ideas of non-drinking socials, inclusivity and the organization of more varied and frequent events throughout the year. The committee have worked hard to organize guest speakers and interesting lectures for their members, with the most notable one being the general election hustings, which they organized, where they offered the space for the local community to participate as well. And we've seen a large increase in engagement from this society, including an increase in membership numbers due to their efforts. Congratulations to International Politics Society for the second place of Most Improved Society of the Year. And the winner of the Most Improved Society of the Year award is the society that have managed to double their membership base, which is a massive accolade. The committee organized various activities and fundraising events over the year, accumulating over £1,000 raised for guide dogs. Members have also actively volunteered in the dog shelter outside AberSU, amongst many other volunteering opportunities that they've taken up. And their work towards charitable causes produced activities such as bake sales, craft trips, movie nights and canine calming events. Their efforts to raise the profile of their student group should be recognized as an example of an excellence and hard work and ethic. Congratulations to our Most Improved Society of the Year, Dogs.
Up next we have the Academic Course-Based Society of the Year. This is awarded to an academic society who has made an outstanding contribution to their department, as well as to the union, to the university and to the wider community. The shortlisted nominees for this award are Animal and Veterinary, Law, Fantasy and Science Fiction, Geography and Zoology. The society in third place for this award has worked hard to provide students with additional information, help and support within their field of study. They have consistently engaged student, staff and society members through monthly guest lectures, raising awareness of relevant research and promoting industry work. Third place goes to the Animal and Veterinary Society. Well done. On to second place. This society has focused their efforts on bringing students from their department together by providing multiple sessions, workshops and meetings. They're excelling their members in their chosen field, ensuring all members feel confident and happy in their degree efforts. Moreover, they've worked with their department to assist the university in attracting prospective students, making new students feel more welcome, and playing a key role in other departmental activities such as Science Week. It gives me great pleasure in awarding second place to the Geography Society. Well done. Finally, our winner for Academic Course-Based Society of the Year. This society has done a fantastic job in bringing their department together, allowing students to collaborate and meet across degree schemes. Their joint winter ball was a great success, attracting an impressive number of students and staff, alongside providing a safe space for the department's community to come together. Most importantly, their committee has worked hard throughout the whole year to put on a range of academic activities, all of which have even been recognised by lawcareers.net's National Awards panel. Congratulations to the Law Society for being the best academic course-based society of the year. Well done, the Law Society.
Our next award is for Society of the Year. The Society of the Year is the most coveted and sought after award within Team Aber. This is awarded to the most successful, committed and active society of the past academic year. Our shortlisted nominees for this award are Conservation Volunteers, Bee Conservation, Beer Pong, Crisis and Model UN, Geography and Tickle Pink. In third place, they've undoubtedly been one of the most invested student groups within Ceredigion community. The society gave hundreds of hours, time and effort in order to make AberSU an area for the better. Clearing gardens, paths, forests and completing local projects, they've actively provided a great place for both nature and people to live in harmony. Third place goes to Conservation Volunteers. In second place, one of our better known academic societies, this year they've been active in enhancing their membership even further through providing year-round activities and development opportunities. The committee have led the organisation of workshops, revision groups, as well as peer mentoring for students of the same department, making it a great space for learning and developing. The society have been actively participating in AberSU events, as well as taking a lead role in organising National Science Week for their department. They have made huge fundraising efforts and even supported other groups in their activities. Second place is awarded to Geography. Now, on to the winner. A relatively new society, this group have taken on board a huge number of tasks and commitments, all of which contribute to taking care of one of the Earth's most essential species for sustainability and longevity. The committee have made huge efforts with fundraising while also spreading awareness among many students. They have offered a unique experience for their members, all of whom have been able to take part in the production of honey, bee conservation, and much more. Moreover, once the pandemic emerged, they have been one of the most invested societies, still needing to tend to their hives and running a range of online activities for all their members to get involved with so they don't feel alone. Congratulations to our well-deserving Society of 2020, Bee Conservation! Final award of the evening is for University Full Society Colours, an extremely coveted award with a maximum of 25 available per year. Full Society Colours are awarded to individual students who have shown continued and outstanding dedication or made an exceptional contribution to their society. Our winners for University Society colours are as follows: Aaron Daniels from Labour and Wrestling, Frankie Target from Bee Conservation, Ian Place from ACV, Kaya Brown from Eco Education, Katie Payne from Geography, Meg Bennett from ESN Aberystwyth, Molly Walsh from Geography, Stephen Kingdom from ESN Aberystwyth, Zach Walsh from Bee Conservation, Sophie Wild from Tickle Pink, Charlotte Cooper from Zoology, Katrin Stevens from Aber Improv, Michael Davey from Wrestling, Altea Fradley from Food Co-op, Mark Marshall from Sego and Pride, Lauren Pickens from BSL, Stephanie Dimitra from K-pop, Joe Kirkwood from Crisis and Model UN, Sophie Grieve from Curtain Calls, Katie McCook from AberMarrow, James Watson from Lawsock, Jazzy Dale Goslin from Student Minds, and finally, Beth Dazil from Yoga. A massive well done from all of us at Students' Union to all you colours recipients. You've done a fantastic job in your roles this year and should be extremely proud of your achievements, and ultimately those of your societies too. Congratulations.